Oh, that poster is better than the movie. Can you show me the next poster? Oh, that's a fantastic movie, but I don't think my kids will like it. How about Jungle Cruise? Oh, that's an awesome poster. Can you maybe look up some audience reviews for me?
Sounds like you want to hear what audiences thought of this movie. One sec. According to the reviews, here are some things that reviewers liked the most about Jungle Cruise. The performance of Dwayne Johnson as Captain Frank Wolf, with many praising his comedic timing and likability in the role. The action-packed adventure elements of the movie, which reminded some reviewers of Indiana Jones and Tomb Raider. The humor in the film, which was described as healthy dose of humor by one reviewer. The light-hearted and entertaining nature of the movie, which made it a fun watch for families and kids. The escapism provided by the film, allowing viewers to disconnect and enjoy the adventure without worrying about deep messages or realism.
Sounds like my kids would like it. Can you show me a marquee? Ooh, this includes some of my favorite movies. But they're too small. Can you show me a scroller? Or a scroll? Much better. Now I can really see everything. Maybe something a little bit more animated and fun, like Flipper. Can you show me a flip? Can you show me John Wick? Ooh, that's a gorgeous poster. What about audience reviews for this movie?
Sounds like you want to hear what audiences thought of this movie. One sec. Based on the reviews provided, here's a summary of what reviewers liked the most about John Wick. Chapter 3, Parabellum. Action sequences. Many reviewers praised the action scenes as breathtaking, seamless, and entertaining. Pacing. The pacing was considered spot on by some reviewers, with a good balance between action and drama. Keanu Reeves' performance, despite considering his acting cheesy or awkward, many reviewers felt he was perfect for the role of John Wick. Halle Berry's addition, her presence in the movie was praised as a great addition to the franchise, bringing a new level of dramatic acting to the film. Creativity in fight scenes. The use of environment and creativity in the fight choreography was appreciated by some reviewers. Well shot and edited scenes. A few reviewers mentioned specific scenes that were particularly well executed, such as the opening scene with John Wick and Doctor. Overall, the movie's action sequences, pacing, Keanu Reeves' performance, and creative fight scenes were widely praised.
Thanks.